Very fine, good morning. Let now we will see the basis of Angular ngFOR. It's one of the Angular directive which is very much useful for handling array. So the ngFOR directive is used to traverse over an array object, and it's used to display the data in a UI. So it's a directive which used to traverse over array and display the data in a UI. A very simple example. Initially, we'll open a command prompt and create a new Angular project. So ng new. The name of the Angular project is test4. So yes, we'll choose SCSS. So wait for a few more seconds. After creating a new project, you can type cd test4 and code dot. So the entire code which will be open in Visual Code IDE. Just open that src file and app, then app component HTML. Remove the entire unwanted things. Save. For h1 tag. For h for save the file and go to the command prompt and type ngls-o will come. Now you can go to your Visual Code IDE and then create a new array in app component. So inside that I will create a new array. The name of the array is department list. So equal to inside the square bracket for array representation. Inside that I will create collection of list data. So inside curly braces, the first data id colon 1 comma name colon then comma the second data id colon 2 comma name colon id comma just move local host colon 4200. Yes. Then now I will type id colon 3 comma name colon aids. Okay, now I will save. Now I will go to my HTML to use ngFOR inside something order list. So inside that I will use li tag list index. So here I will add ngFOR. So star is just a sugar. It gives a different structure. It specifies the difference in the structural directive. So just like adding a sugar. So I will add ngFOR. A variable of department list. Then that value department. Now I will save the file and go to my output. department inside that name. So department dot name. So I will display the same. Go to here. So which will display the entire department in 1, 2, 3. This is a very simple program for explaining ngFOR. So I will go to my HTML TypeScript. I will create a simple array which comprising of department list. Then I will go to my HTML and adding the tag. Similar way, if I create a drop down box, so select, then inside that option star ngFOR equal to let department of department list. Inside that you will print department dot name. Now I will save the same. I will go to my HTML window, view the drop down, which will display the entire things. The entire thing which will be displayed in a drop down box. Now I will use the option value which is equal to department dot ID. So if needed, you will specify value is ID and displays name. Sometimes in your array which comprising of the additional value, if needed, you can print a index as additional value. So you will place a semicolon, then let I of then if needed, you will print I value. Now the index value is printed easily in the output window. Now you will change into to print the index value. Index value is 0, index value is 1, index value is 2, which will be printed. If needed, index value you will use like that. Now if you want to print whatever clicked on this department name, I will write a simple method in TypeScript. Something I will write a method, the name of the method which will be called as select. Inside that I will create a variable named as something selected item, which is equal to something empty. Initially the selected item is empty. Then I will create this dot selected item, which is equal to e dot target dot value. Now save the file. Go to your HTML. Then you will add the D1, something change here equal to D1 named as select data of dollar. Save the activity and go to your output window. I will pick the data, AIDS, that output here. Initially, which will print the data here. I will click IT, which will print department.it. I will go to app compound. Value here in HTML. Here there is a value which will be specified as department.it. Now it will click. If the value is department.id, it will display department.id. Now the value is department.name. Take the file. Now if you click the item, which will display the department name. This is a very simple example for ngFOR. Initially, we will create an array inside the TypeScript file. After that, you can go to HTML and ngFOR let the variable name of the entire array. Then inside double curly brace, you can print the department name. Similar way we will use for drop down box. Thanks for watching.